Has this ever happened? Let's turn off the breakers at the main service panel. Also make sure you pull the disconnect and set it on top. We'll remove the panel so we have access to remove the bracket holding the capacitor in place. Make sure the capacitor you are purchasing has the same microfarads, variance, and voltage. Make sure you write down what color wires go on which connectors, such as brown on fan, yellow on Herm, and yellow on C. Let's also discharge any energy that might be stored in the capacitor by using a screwdriver with an insulated handle. Merely and now we should be good to go. Remove the wire.